Magandang hapon mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon itong post ni Teo Moreno. Sabi niya, the comment section, ha 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 ha. Tumatawa si Teo Moreno. Sabay post niya yung picture ni Mayor Baste kagabi na basang-basa sa ulan. Yan o. Oh. Ang lakas ng ulan. Hindi umalis ang mga tao, lalong uminit naman ang pagsasalita ni Mayor Baste. Grabe. So, sabi ko, ano bang comment section? So, tinignan ko sa comment section, basa tayo sa mga comment section. Ana Dujali, ice cream, yummy ice cream. So, Aquaman, the Aquaman of the Philippines. So, Genesis Amor, the handsome Aquaman Davao version. Zenel Honbay, man of my dreams. Jacqueline Jose, my forever man. Umiinit na. Going wild, Mary Heart Meder, Lamion. Masarap daw. Paulo Felix, pabasa pod ko, kabern. Jolly Ganados, ang saging ni Mayor, ang sarap-sarap. Ano ba yung saging na ang sarap-sarap? Jevelyn Peralta, basa ako, yor. So, nagiging wet, wild, hot na. Ito, seryoso ito. Zamra Dumama, the eagle doesn't fear the storm. It learns to dance in the rain. Let challenges refine you, not define you. We love the Duterte. So yun. My desire lost it. The comment section is so hot and goes wild. Estelita Ibanico, this man is on fire in the middle of a pouring rain. Nitiba ng Bukidnon, kalami tan tauhana. Ang sarap ng tao na yan, sabi. Venus Tilasa, wild wild wet. Zafira Gray Asher, juice colored. It's not just the pouring rain I've seen unto him. He's a whirlwind. Marie Louise, the handsome Jon Snow. Lynn Abbey, lamion kayo basa na kayo si Mayor. Mayday, the handsome of Davao. First look, sabi. Pogi, Showerman Baste. So, wala na talaga. Ang dami nang nagkagusto kay Mayor Baste dahil sa basang-basa sa ulan. Okay, there's another post tungkol kay Mayor Baste. Post naman ito ni Crescent La Oreta Chu. Ito, seryoso ito ha. Sana yung kaibahan. Ito. Kipichu. Ito, basahin ko. 1 hour ago. I don't think it's secret kasi he always talk about this naman. But in a few times, we had PRRD's undivided attention during our private dinners. He would always talk about how Sara is most like him. Ito yung comparison ng mga anak ni PRRD na dati, sinasabi, si BP Sara parang manang-mana kay PRRD. Dito sa post ni Crescent La Oreta Chu, si Mayor Basti daw talaga ang kuhang-kuha si Mayor Basti. Mayor Basti kuhang-kuha siya yung mini PRRD. Dahil sa speech niya kagabi. Okay. He says his boys, okay, Sarah is most like him, how he's so proud of her, how she is so much better than him, how she is actually much more ruthless, cunning, tougher than he is. And that paired with her femininity makes her actually more dangerous than he is. But me, I disagreed with PRRD in my mind. For me, Sarah's femininity and temperance in charm, her wrathfulness tempered with her kimkim makes her more dangerous and vicious and a little bit more aloof. Mag-aalangan ka kay Sarah even if you're a supporter. Nakakaya. Nakaka-intimidate. Her vibe is queen, di ba? I feel like a loyal subject beside her as she has this regal bearing as well. You can sense it, the imperviousness, queen. Sabi nga ni PRRD, the real alpha among us. PRRD vibe has never been king. He has always had a working man, one of us vibe. In Filipino, bugoy. Parang kainuman mo lang who just happened to be the most brilliant president ever. So for me, sabi ni Crescent, I always thought that the kids, it's Basti who is most like PRRD. Him with his carefree, happy-go-lucky demeanor, who then will be challenged by circumstances to shape up. Feeling ko yung story arc and personality ni Basti more like PRRD's. Time test us, all of us, so we can become who we are meant to be in this world, so that we can serve our purpose in a way that only we can do. I look at Basti now, at the man he has become. He has defended Davao City from interlopers, from bullying of the national admin, from threats of defunding at such a young age. And despite being so happy-go-lucky, he has been able to pull it off. Nag-iba na si Baste. I remember when I would cringe at how he answered on social media before. But he has learned. He's not even 40 yet. And yes, he has a long way to go. But he's already done so much. Swerte ng Davao City. One day, when PRRD will no longer be with us, you will still have somebody like him. I truly, fervently wish that God gives PRRD a long enough life, enough that he sees the kind of man Basti has become. I wish this for him. I wish he is able to witness na yung wish niya for Basti natupad na. Please, Lord. I look at this picture. Yung picture, yung basang-basa sa ulan si Basti. Yan o. I look at this picture and I feel so proud. Like a mother looking at her son becoming his own man. I'm so proud of Basti kahit inaway niya ako dati. God bless the Dutertes and God save the Philippines. Mabuhay ka, Mayor Baste Duterte. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel nito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Ron mo na po ni ang nang kinahanglan og tabang ug mo na ni makita sa gawas nga bahin sa iyang balay, sa iyang atop o kagubaon na gyud. Ayo,
Dayon,
maing odto.
dito sa ana ang buslot sa among balay.
Ano siya? Mga dako na gid kayo.
Bisi.
Og karon manguha na ka og kahoy kay matagaan na mo og sen lansang pako plinsen.
Manguha na gyud mi.
Og pila na ni katuig ang inyong balay?
5 na.
5 pa katuig. O karon unsa imong masulti nga matagaan na ka og sin lansang Paco Prinsen?
Pasalamat mi sa Ginoo ug sa nagtan-aw sa video sa nag-sponsor ani.
Oo.
Dili gyud mi kabalay kung dili mi tabangan sa among pagbalay tungod kay lisod among pagpuyo.
Mm. So pila day mo gapuyo din ani?
Upat do akong anak.
Ay duha imong anak. So unsa day inyong panginabuhian?
Kung di mi makamuso, di gyud mi makakaon. Ug di sad mi makabalay kung wala ang tabang
Oh.
para sa atop.
So gamuso lang ang imong bana.
Oo.
So dili gyud mo kakaon kung dili
mi makamuso.
dili mo makamuso. Sa isa ka semana kapila siya magmuso pod imong bana?
Usay isa ka semana, usay ka isa ra, usay na asad ikaduha.
Ay. So salamat kaayo.
Masarap.